how to change YouTube channel name. Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can change your YouTube channel name. So open up your channel over here on YouTube, click on Manage Videos. After that, wait for a few seconds, and then from over here from the bottom left, click on Customization. Now once you click on Customization, that is going to take you over here. Click on Basic Info from the top, and then from over here you guys can see your channel name. You guys can simply click on the pen next to it which is Edit Channel Name, and then from over here you guys can put in whatever name you want. So I'm not going to change the name right now, but you guys can type in anything that you want and your channel name is gonna be changed. Also, you guys can add in a description for your channel as well, which is always helpful, because if you have a description, well, then that is going to make sure that your channel is going to be easily recognized and people are going to come to your channel and they'll know what you offer. And all in all, it just gives the channel a very nice branding feel. You guys can also put in your email address over here as well, and also add links to your channel as well if you guys want to. So it is very easy to do, only takes a few minutes, and then you guys will have a completely new channel with a brand new name. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.